Two Russian Su-27 fighter jets intercepted and escorted away three British military aircraft over the Black Sea on Monday. The three London military aircraft were an RC-135 electronic reconnaissance aircraft and two Typhoon fighter jets. Russia's airspace control over the Black Sea waters detected three air targets approaching the Russian state border. To identify targets and prevent violations of national borders, a pair of Su-27 fighters from the Air Defense Forces was scrambled. Su-27 fighter jet identified the target as an electronic intelligence aircraft, and electronic warfare RC-135 and two Royal Air Force Typhoon fighters. The main mission of the RC-135 is signal intelligence, where it collects and processes various types of electronic signals for strategic and tactical purposes. The aircraft is equipped with a variety of advanced intelligence gathering equipment, which enables it to monitor, detect, and intercept enemy communications and radar emissions. As the Russian warplanes approached, foreign military aircraft turned away from the border of the Russian state. Russian planes returned to their base airfields and no violation of national borders is permitted, continued the ministry. The Russian Ministry of Defense stressed that the interception was carried out in accordance with international rules for the use of airspace over neutral waters, without crossing air routes or approaching dangerous foreign country aircraft. It came days after the British Royal Air Force, RAF, deployed fighter jets to intercept Russian military aircraft flying near NATO airspace. The Black and Baltic Seas have seen in recent months several interceptions by Russian and NATO member aircraft. Tension over airspace and air behavior is increasing between Moscow and West last March when a U.S. military reconnaissance drone, the MQ-9 Reaper, crashed into the Black Sea after a confrontation with a Russian Su-27 fighter jet in international airspace near the territory of Crimea.